Hello everyone, welcome to Civil Mania. So in today's lecture I'll be teaching you about how to create wall and height adjustment in Revit architecture. So let me open Revit architecture. Okay, so in my previous lecture I have taught about how to create labels, such as first I need to go to the north elevation. Then as I have created here the three levels: ground level, first floor as well as second floor. So after that, see, as I have created here the three levels. After creating the three levels, even I can hide the bubbles here, as I can show you here. So after creating the three levels, the next thing I need to do is I have to simply click on the ground level, because the ground level is the lowest level. So I need to click, so for that you need to double click on the ground level, because in this project browser if you need to show something, then you have to double click on it. So for that you need to double click on the ground level. After that you have to create any walls, but remember that any kind of building or diagram you need to create in between these four cameras, that is between these four elevations. You don't have to, like, you cannot cross these elevations, and for that if you require more space, then you can simply select this camera and you can shift it, okay, in this manner. So after that, I have already taught in the previous lecture that I have to set first the levels, and after that I have to set the unit command, and for that UN enter, sorry, simply you need to click UN. After that this format will arise, or this menu will arise. Here you have to set the length and all these formats, like I have set in the inches, foot and inches format, okay, and slope in degree. After doing these things, now I need to draw the walls, and for that you have to click on this architecture tab, and here walls. See, there are various kind of walls present, such as architectural wall. See, for creating these are the types of architectural wall. As you can see here, it creates a non-structural wall in the building model. Then structural wall, it creates load bearing or shear wall in the building model, okay, fine. Then this is wall by face. So for creating various generic model, or in mass, in massing and sighting, such as you can see it here, this is massing and sighting. Here I will create wall by face. So let me first of all create wall by selecting architectural. After that, after that you can see here what kind of wall is already selected by default, such as generic wall 8 feet. So I can create 8 feet wall. Suppose I need to create 9 feet wall, then simply you go on edit, you need to click on edit. Then you don't try to edit the default setting. For that, if you want 9-inch wall, simply click it here and check whether the 9-inch wall is present or not. As you can see here, only 8-inch and 6-inch and 12-inch are present. So simply off it, escape it. After that, click on edit type. Don't edit on the default setting, simply type on duplicate, and I have created a duplicate wall. There you type as 9-inch wall, okay, press ok. After, see, I have created one 9-inch generic wall. There I have to click on this edit. After creating on this edit, this is the size. Here I have to change from 8 to 9, okay. I have created 9, and other things you don't have to change it, okay. Simply only you have to change the thickness, this is 9-inch, and press ok, and press. After that, now again press ok. See, as you can see here, my now my 9-inch wall has been created. After that, you can create now 9-inch wall. So but remember that before creating the 9-inch wall, there are some points which you must remember, such as here height. Up here is one point is height, second one is unconnected, or up to what height you want to create, because I have selected here the ground level. From ground level, if I want the wall up to the second floor, then I will select here second floor. If I want the wall up to first ground floor only, sorry, from ground floor to first floor only, then I will click here first floor. Or you can simply type here up to what height you want the wall. Suppose I want the wall from the ground level to only first floor, so I will click here first floor. After that, you have to select here what is the location line, that is whether I will create wall from center to center or from inner face to inner face, because here the dimension which I will mention it, that dimension, whether I need to create that dimension. Suppose I am creating two walls and the distance between them is 4 feet. If I will click on wall center, then that distance will be from the center of the wall to the center of the another wall. If I will create if I will click on finish face exterior, then that distance will be from exterior to exterior. Suppose let me create it first. Let me create center line. Click it on general, 9 inch. Okay, now click it here. Suppose I am creating this wall of 10, click it 9 inch. Okay, select it here, give the distance as 10, enter it. After that, press escape. So as you can see here, this is the wall I have created. Okay, so this is how much distance. This distance, its dimension will be 10 feet. Suppose let me create one rectangle. This is one wall of 10 feet. Then I will give the dimension here of 10 feet. Here again I will give the dimension of 10 feet. Here again I will give the dimension of 10 feet. Okay, now escape it. But remember, while creating this 10 feet diagram or 10 feet wall, I have selected the wall up to the height of first floor. So now you can check it by going to the elevation. Suppose let me double click on this elevation, and as you can see here, now my diagram has been created up to only the first floor level, that is from the ground floor to the first floor. Okay, as you can see here, this is the diagram which has been created because I have created up to only the first floor. After that, I have selected, while creating the walls, I have created wall center line. So now I will show you the dimensions here. As you can see here, the dimensions of the wall is, let me go to the anode and give it linear and check the dimensions. What is the dimension from here to here? See, my inside dimension is only 9 feet 3 inch, but I have given the dimension is 10 feet. So what is the dimension from 10 where the dimension is 10 feet? So I will show you, because here the dimension which was created is 10 feet, is from center to center. Simply click it here and here. See, from outside to outside the distance is 10 feet 9 inch. But again click on here and again click it here. See, from the center line of the wall to the center line of the wall, the dimension is 10 feet because I have created the wall by the help of center line. So now the distance is which is measured from center to the center. Now again let me create another line. If you will lock this, then a dimension will be created. Now suppose let me again go to the architecture, click on architecture, and 9 meter, then height up to first floor. Then let me create now from exterior to exterior, that is finish face exterior. Now let me create another building. Another plane I have created. Now I will show you the dimension. Now the exterior to exterior wall, the dimension will be 10 feet. Let me measure it here. from here to here. Sorry, what is the dimensions I have given here? Let me draw once again. Wall, finished space exterior, give us 10 feet, then again give us 10 feet, 10 feet, and join it. So now my 10 feet distance which I have given, that distance will be from exterior to exterior. Suppose let me select from the end point to the end point of the line. As you can see here, the distance is 10 feet. Or let me go to the anode and simply click on linear from here to the here. See, as you can see here, now the distance is 10 feet from exterior to exterior. Now again let me create another wall. Go to wall, simply click on wall, generic wall. Now I'll create finish face interior. Let me click it here. Yeah, let me click it here, finish face interior. This is the wall I have created. Give us 10 feet. Now again give us 10 feet, again give us 10 feet, again give us 10 feet. So now I will show you, as I have selected here finish space interior. Now the distance between the walls, interior distance will be 10 feet. Now again I will go to anode, I will select on linear. Now let me check the interior to the interior distance. See here, 10 feet distance only from. So you can see here the difference. This is center to center distance is 10 feet, this is exterior to exterior, and this is interior to interior. So this is how the walls are created. After that you can simply go to the 3D view and you can check here the 3 walls are created and all are having different dimension. Now in order to move, you can simply type the shift button and the mouse scroll button or mouse wheel, and simply after clicking it, move it. You have to press it and move. You like shift button and mouse wheel button, you have to press it. You cannot like single click it, you have to continuously press it and you have to move it. In this manner we can rotate and we can check. Even we can go up down, we can see whether the floor is present or roof is present or not. In this manner we can create, and that is also too created. As you can see here, these are the three levels which I have created, and those are created up to only the level 1, that is first floor. In this manner we can go to the 3D. After that, if you want to go to the different tab, you can simply click on tab and control button. Tab and control button I have after clicking on tab and control, I can go to different tab. Like now I can go to the node by clicking on tab and control. Now I can go to the 3D by pressing tab and control. In this manner I can go. This is how I have created walls. Again I will show you another method of creating wall. Suppose again go to the architecture, click on wall. After clicking on wall, let first click on wall. See, as you can see here, now I have selected face interior. Suppose I want to create a room in the upper portion, not in the below portion, because if I will create the room or wall now in the below portion, my interior, because here I have selected the interior face, my interior face is in the below portion, because dotted line, as you can see here. If I need to rotate it, then simply click on space bar. See, now my interior line has been created. Interior line has been changed from the down portion to the up portion of the wall. Again click on space bar. You can see the difference, what it's going on. The wall is now going to the upper portion, then it's going to the downer portion. In this way you can change the orientation of the wall. Okay, Now I will suppose I have selected the finish space interior only, but still I can create wall as a exterior command. How? I will keep the finish line outside. Suppose I have given here 10 feet, but my finish line is outside, given 10 feet. Now again I have my finish line is again outside, give us 10 feet. Again my finish line is outside, give us 10 feet. Again my finish line is outside, give us 10 feet. Okay. So suppose I need to check now the dimension, though I have selected here finish space interior, but my the line from which measurements are done, those are in the exterior part. So my interior distance will now not be 10 feet, but now my interior distance will be from here to here, it will be 8 feet 6 inch. Okay. So I hope you can see here in how to create walls. After that you can go to the 3D again, and in the 3D there are various options, because in the first lecture I have told you about this is the scale. Here there are 3 options like coarse, medium and fine. I will tell you afterwards about these 3 options, but now let me go to this portion. Here you can click on the ray trace for the sunlight. Okay, now you can also even go to the, see, this one is the ray trace, interactive ray trace mode. Now even you can go to the, because here the sunlight, if the sunlight falls, then it will look in this manner along with some shadow here. Now you can go to the realistic view. This is the realistic view of the diagram. You can even go to the consistent color view, then you can go to the shaded view, then you can go to the hidden lines, then you can even go to the wireframe. See, so in this manner you can go to different views by clicking it here. Okay, so again let me go to the ground floor. So this is how I will create walls in the ground floor. And even if I need to edit any wall, then I will simply click on this wall and I will click another type of wall. Suppose I need to change this wall to 12 inch, then simply click on 12 inch. See, now my wall thickness has been changed. Now my wall thickness has gone to from 10 feet 9 inch to the 12 inch. I can even check it. Even I can check the thickness of the wall. Simply go to annotate, linear, okay. So even you can click it here and you can check what is the wall thickness, that is 12 inch thickness wall. So this is how even you can change the wall thickness by simply selecting. And remember that while creating plan, suppose let me create one plan. Let me go to the wall. Click on 9 inch. Yeah, I have let me create walls without selecting any dimension. Simply let me create wall. So this is my new plan which I have created. After that, let me create 6 inch wall. as these are the load bearing walls or the outside walls. Now let me create 6-inch walls. So let me create here 6-inch wall. From here I have created, then again let me create here. Okay, I have created. So here now walls are of different dimensions. Suppose I need to select the outside wall, then you need to simply click on the tab button. What I have to simply touch one wall and simply click on the tab button. So this is how all the walls will be selected. Outside walls will be selected. Suppose I will click it here and I will click on the tab button. Okay, in the outside wall I will click the tab button, my all walls will be like selected. Suppose I need to click the inside wall, then I will click it in this wall, and after that I will click on control and I will select the another wall. In this manner also we can select, or there is another one shortcut method which I will tell you. Simply click on this wall and type it SA. See, after clicking on SA, those walls which are of 9-inch thickness, those all walls will be selected at a time. Suppose I need to select only the exterior walls, then click it here and press tab. Or else, suppose as my all interior walls are of 6-inch, so I will click on the one wall and I will type SA. All my 6-inch wall will be selected. So I hope it's clear to all of you in what manner you can select all the wall at a time by simply selecting one wall and type it SA in the keyboard. Or else you can simply touch one wall and type the, and after that click the tab button. After pressing the tab button, all walls will be selected. Suppose here I have selected one wall and typed the tab button. See, all walls will get selected. So in this manner you can either select all the outside walls and the interior walls, because you cannot select all the interior walls by simply selecting one wall and type and clicking on tab button. It will not get selected. So for that you have to click it here and type SA. In this manner we can select. And after selecting, suppose I have clicked on one wall and typed SA, after that I can change it to from 6-inch to I can change it to 12-inch. See, I have changed from 6-inch to 12-inch. So I hope it's clear to all of you that in what manner we can change, we can select particular walls and we can change the dimension of every walls. Even we can change the wall type. Suppose I have selected this wall and I want to change this wall from the generic wall to the masonry wall. I have clicked on this one and I have changed to masonry wall. Now I can check it in the 3D view by going to the realistic view. See, as you can check it here, this is the wall which I have changed. See, check it here, this is the masonry wall which has been created. So I hope it's clear to all of you that how to create walls and how to connect the walls from the one level to the another level. And even I let me show some other things also for creating wall. Suppose let me go again to the ground level and let me, as I have created this wall only to the first floor, you can go to the 3D view and you can check it here. This one is only created in the first floor. So let me go again to the ground floor, simply select it. After selecting it, go to the modify, and after going to the modify, you simply you have to see, as you can see here, this is the paste command and this is the copy to clipboard. You simply need to copy to clipboard. After clicking on copy to clipboard, simply click on paste. After that, you can copy this full building to the selected level. Suppose I want to create the same building to the another level also, I can simply click on align to selected level, and I can copy this from the first floor to the second floor also, and I will click on OK. After that, I can show you in the 3D figure. Okay, see, as you can check it here. Now my building has been copied from the ground floor to the second floor. In the similar manner, you can even copy to the first floor also. After copying to the first floor, it will get copied in the below portion. Again, let me go to the ground floor, again copy it. After copying it, again paste it, align to the selected level, then copy it to the first floor and click on OK. After that, I will again show you in the 3D view. See here, it has been copied to the 3 levels. Now, as you can see here, the building has been created to the 3 level of same fashion, of same design. This is how we can even copy from the ground floor to the first floor and first floor to the second floor. In any level, we can copy it of the same diagram. So I hope it's clear to all of you. That is how to create walls, how to modify the walls, how to view in the 3D view, and even how to go to the ground level, and how to draw from center to the center line, and from the face exterior to face exterior, or from the face interior to the face interior, and how to select the outside walls by using the tab command and essay command. Okay, so I hope it's clear to all of you. So if you have not subscribed my channel, then please subscribe my channel, and please press the like button and the bell icon as well. And thanks for watching my video.